Welcome back. My name is Sachin, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you should know about pipelines in Condense core. Let us start by understanding what exactly a pipeline means. A pipeline in Condense is the visual and functional representation of how data flow between deployed connectors, transforms, and utilities inside a workspace is shown. It is automatically materialized when a connector or a transform is deployed and configured with its environment parameters. A pipeline canvas displays these deployed components as blocks. The lines between two blocks represent the live topic-based data flows. Let us understand how pipelines actually help in Condense core. Pipelines help in understanding relationships between sources, processing steps, and sinks. Pipeline helps in monitoring the stage of each component in context of overall data flow. Pipelines also help in ensuring that topic connections between components are correctly mapped. If you want to learn more about pipelines, you can head over to our documentation page and read more. I've attached the link in YouTube description. Now let us jump back into Condense core and see this in action. In order to access the pipelines page, just hover on connectors in the navbar and select pipelines. A point to note here that this is a different workspace that I am using to show and not the same one that we used in other videos in this tutorial series. To give you a background, this is an entire fleet management system that was built in Condense core. Once you are here, you can use your mouse to scroll and see between all the connectors that are deployed. You can use your trackpad to zoom in or zoom out. Now let us understand what exactly an input card means. This is an input telematics type connector that is transmitting data using this Kafka topic, and it is being sent to all of these other cards. If you zoom in and view any other connectors, you can also see that the chips are different, and those signify the kind of connector that particular card is. So this is a transform and pre-built type connector, which is geofence, which is deployed. Again, this is transmitting data via an alert topic. Let us understand what exactly these mean in a connector card in the pipelines page. This icon represents that the connector is running and it is transmitting data forward. Input and telematics is the type of connector that is currently deployed. Now if you can see, these chips depend on the kind of connector that is. Since this is an application and it's custom built, it has tags application and custom. Again, this is also running. Now if you zoom on this particular card, it is a transform and it's a pre-built type connector. So this icon means that the connector has some problem and it's not currently sending data forward. Now if I select one of the cards, I can see more information on this particular connector. I can see the resource utilization, the status. I can see all the ENVs that were configured, and I can choose to edit or delete. Once I click on one of the connectors, I can see all the ENVs that were configured. I can choose to see the logs, and I can also see the campaigns that are associated with telematics type connectors. Clicking on this button shows me the memory utilization, CPU utilization, and pod status for this particular connector. I can also choose to delete or edit the configurations.